In this video, I'm going to be going over how to make WordPress menu link open in a new tab step by step. Making a WordPress menu link open in a new tab is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WordPress menu link opening in a new tab, no matter what kind of link it is. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, hover over the Appearance tab. Click Menus. From the Menus page, up at the top, you'll see Screen Options. Click this. You'll see Link Target. Select Link Target. Scroll down to the menu. I'll click the tiny arrow next to a page in the menu. For this tutorial, I'll do it under the About page. You'll see the Open Link in New Tab option. Just select this option and click the Save Menu button to save your changes. The steps are the same if you want to add a page, post, custom link, or category to the menu. For example, I'll add a custom link to the menu. I'll add a custom link and name it Custom Link for this tutorial. I'll click Add to Menu. I'll click the tiny arrow and you'll see the Open Link in New Tab. I'll select it. I'll click the Save Menu button. I'll now pull up my site. I'll click the About page and you'll see the link in the menu now opens in a new tab. If I click on the custom link I added to the menu, you'll see the page now opens in a new tab. That is how to make WordPress menu link open in new tab. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.